beautiful people. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a very exciting one-off mystery box that Dolby have never ever done before, and you know, you guys had to pick up two of them. I just couldn't resist. If you are new here, by the way, I am Lucy Stevenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new, don't forget to hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so I know to do more of these in the future. And don't forget to enter my huge giveaway linked down below as well. So like I said, today we're going to be unboxing the Doll Beauty mystery bags. I've never ever known them do this before, especially on their website. Sometimes I've seen them do kind of like really good bundles, but it's been like at an event. So they put them up literally for one day. They're sold out within the day and they retailed for £10 each, but you've got 5 different products inside. So obviously I picked up 2 of the different bags. You couldn't really pick, like there was no like mystery bag 1, mystery bag 2, you literally just ordered mystery bags and you got what you got. So unfortunately both of my mystery bags are exactly the same. When they first come, they come in this little cute kind of pinky purple wrapping, and then obviously it also comes with the gift bag inside for you to make it up yourself. But I'm gonna have to show you what's inside. So obviously it's £10, but you get so much more value for money considering like you're only paying £10 for this. So both my boxes are the same, so I'll just show you one, and I think I'm going to do a little swap with other people that have picked it up and got different things, lipsticks and lip glosses and stuff. So you've got 5 different products. They did say it can vary, so I know for some people they won't get any lip gloss because that kind of sold out and went straight away. So you could get like a mirror, you could get tweezers, you could get eyelash curlers, a lipstick and a lip gloss. So for everybody that I've seen so far, I haven't seen anybody get the mirror, which just looks like this. I already have this because I've bought it before. You'll have seen it in all my videos anyway, that I always use this for tutorials and stuff, but I'm glad that I didn't get it in this gift bag, but I've not seen anybody else get it either. So I'm not too sure if anyone's actually getting any mirrors, but the first thing that came in mine were the doll lash curlers. So it says in the back that these retail for £12, so these themselves retail more than what the actual bag costs. And I'm actually looking forward to trying these. Obviously I've got 2 pairs of them now, so I might end up putting some of this stuff into a giveaway for you guys as well. Anything that I've kind of got doubles of that I'm not going to swap with people, I'll put into my giveaway box for you guys. But I'm really excited to try this because I normally have, if I can grab them, I normally use these eyelash curlers, which are the Shu Uemura eyelash curlers, and I absolutely love these, but you can't get them anymore. I can't find them on any websites. I got mine from House of Fraser like back in the day when I used to work at House of Fraser many years ago, like when I was doing my degree. So yeah, I don't know where you can get them anymore. I obviously don't know where you can get these little pads from. I've never replaced the pad, or maybe once I've replaced it, which is really gross. So yeah, I'm looking forward to trying the doll ones and seeing what they're like. And then also I can actually recommend them to you instead of recommending ones that you can't actually buy. So obviously both of my gift bags came with that. We also got some of these lash applicators as well. They're technically called tweezers, but they're basically lash applicators. Like you couldn't pull eyebrow hairs or anything out like that with them. And these retail for £8 by themselves. So I'll definitely be putting this into my lash drawer, which is just my little drawer up here. I'll definitely be putting it into there because I don't actually own any of them that are like this. So they help you to apply your false lashes, and they're just kind of gold and say Doll Beauty on them, like that. I forgot to say as well, just in case you are wondering what lip combination I have on, because I always forget to write it down to put it into my video description. So just in case you are wondering, I've got the Doll Beauty Kiss My Sash lip liner on. Couldn't think of the word then. Lip liner on. And then I've also got the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood liquid lipstick in the shade Screen Siren. Got that little combination on, and I think it looks beautiful. It's the same combination that I wore for my blusher unboxing as well. So yeah, love it. I will leave it linked down below if you want to go check out the blusher collection that I picked up from Doll and also the full lip liner range. I will leave that linked down below for you as well. I am a little bit disappointed that obviously the next 2 products that I got were the same, because the next 2 were, well actually the next 3, I'm kind of a bit gutted because I got the same pair of lashes twice and I got the same colour lipstick and lip gloss as well. But obviously it's just one of them things. It's just one of them things when it comes to the mystery bags, like you don't know what you're going to get. So the lashes that were in both of them were the style Sandy. And I think I might already own these, you know. Just look like this. If you can actually see that. Just checking. I've got like my new microphone on, so I'm not too sure whether it sounds okay or not. Hopefully it does. But yeah, that retails for £10. So again, the same price as what the actual like bag is itself. So for the lipstick, first of all, I am really happy that it's a colour that I don't already have. I already own like 3 of the doll lipsticks. So I'm really glad that it's a colour that I don't have, but obviously I did get the same colour in both of them, which I think I've said about a billion times. So this one is in the shade C'est la Vie. So it just comes in the normal packaging. This is what it looks like. So I am really, really happy. It is definitely a colour that I would wear, but I feel like all of doll lipsticks are like that. They're all colours that I would definitely wear. And then I'm really, really happy that again the gloss was in a different colour that I don't have. I have 3 of the glosses and I'm so happy that it's not the ones that obviously I've already bought. This is in the shade Sponsored, so it just comes in the normal packaging. It just looks like this. So the ones I have, I'm not even going to be able to reach like right up there, a totally different kind of colours to this, so I'm really excited to see what this one's like. And I do think it'd go really well with the lipstick as well, so I think that's a good little combination. So I'm going to see if any of my friends want to swap with whatever colours that they got in theirs. I have kind of noticed from the people that have done pictures of what they got, it seems to be like there's 2 colours that are in all of the bags, so you're either going to get this little bundle, or I think the other one is like dolled out, and I can't remember what the gloss is, but I'm going to see if anybody wants to swap any duplicates that they have with my duplicates as well. So yeah, that is everything that I got. I do still think it's worth the £10, especially if you don't have anything from Doll, or even if you're like me and have quite a few bits from Doll, because it is still stuff that I don't have. Like I've never picked up their eyelash curlers, never picked up like the tweezers, and obviously I don't have these lipsticks, and this lipstick and this lip gloss in this shade. And obviously the lashes, I will probably put these into a giveaway because it's just not really my style. I'm a bit gutted that it isn't the normal range of lashes. Like these are the more kind of like gappy ones, which wouldn't typically be what I would go for. However, I do think they're really pretty, and for some people that would use them. So yeah, I think I'll probably put them into a giveaway for you guys, so that you actually get some use out of it instead. If this came about again, I would highly recommend picking up one of these bundles because they're really, really good. I think again, I would still probably buy 2 because I know what I'm like, and I can just do swaps with people or sell stuff on or whatever. I'll put it into giveaways to get other colours that I want or whatever. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to enter my huge giveaway linked down below, and I'll hopefully see you in my next video. Love you so much. Bye.